Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment we have this Neilsen 7-piece slotted special socket set. So it's 7 sockets with these lovely openings. I'll go over the size in just a moment, but they're pretty handy little sets to have. There are 5 3/8 drive sockets and 2 half-inch sockets. The half-inch are the 19 and the 17. And in the 3/8 we have 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So quite a wide array of sockets. They have plenty of different uses. For instance, they're useful on temperature sensors or any sensor really has a wire coming out the top. You can put this through, pop the wire out the way while you break it loose with this. They are almost completely round, so you're only missing one edge, so you get a good bite on 5 sides. They're pretty handy for like O2 sensing and things like that, and for other little applications. I'm going to give you a little demonstration in just a moment of these, but before I do, the part number on this is CT4484. So yeah, that's the part number for it. Pretty handy. We come with this lovely metal rail as well, which is pretty good. Keeps them all organised and together. So as you can see, I've got a little demonstration set up for you now. So this is my adjustable wrench that I showed you the other day in What's in the Toolbox. And you can see I've got a bolt here, and here is our special slotted socket, and as you can see it can go over there nice and easily, and we can still twist the socket. But the real key to these is if say like we needed to hold something in the top, say like it had a hold down for like say a suspension socket or something, I could hold the top and I could still tighten the fastener thanks to the opening, as you can see here. So another handy feature to these sockets is they're fairly deep, as you can see. There's plenty of clearance. I like the way this, you can also hold the nut in it. It's got like a little holder there. And they're fairly good fit and finish for these open style things. Sometimes you can be a bit loose on the end here, but this has got a fairly good hold on the fastener. So my final thoughts on this socket set. Really handy little set. I like the variety of sizes it comes in. Fit most of the common sizes I've used it. I used a 17 the other day on a sensor. Worked out really well. I've got a few other jobs lined up for these, so you'll be seeing them in a couple of other videos too. Unfortunately I didn't film the sensor video, but you'll be seeing this like I said in other videos. They're pretty handy. I like the open end design on. I like the fact that they're chrome vanadium. And yeah, overall if you're looking for some open sockets, pick up these ones, they're pretty good. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.